Kali ini saya akan membuat video cara menyalin teks komentar di Instagram. Pertama, kalian harus mengunduh aplikasi Universal Copy. Link download telah saya siapkan di deskripsi video ini.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Terima kasih telah menonton. Silahkan subscribe, like, share, dan komen di kolom komentar. Terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya.